Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today we're diving into something that feels like a blast from the past but with a serious modern twist, the 2026 Oldsmobile Toronado. Yeah, you heard me right. Oldsmobile is making a comeback, and they're not playing it safe. They're bringing back the Toronado, one of the most iconic nameplates in American automotive history, and giving it a full-blown 21st century makeover. This isn't just a nostalgia trip, it's a real-deal performance luxury coupe aimed at turning heads and shaking up the game. Now let's talk design because this thing makes a statement. The 2026 Toronado has that bold, wide stance that screams confidence, but with some seriously sleek lines. Oldsmobile designers didn't just slap a badge on an existing GM model, they gave this car its own identity. Up front, you've got a full-width LED light bar integrated into a grille that feels both futuristic and retro. The headlights are ultra-slim, and the hood has these muscular sculpted lines that give it a kind of power you can feel look, even when it's parked. The side profile is long and low, with a dramatic coupe silhouette. Frameless doors, flush handles, and blacked-out pillars give it a clean, uninterrupted shape. Around back, it's just as dramatic. Wide LED taillights that wrap across the rear, a subtle ducktail spoiler, and quad exhaust tips that remind you this thing's got bite. The Toronado badge is embossed across the trunk in a classic script, which is a nice homage to its roots. It's one of those cars where you can tell just by looking at it, it's gonna be fun. Slide inside, and you're greeted with a blend of retro cool and cutting-edge tech. The interior is driver-focused with a cockpit-style layout, but it's still plush and premium. There's a huge curved digital display that stretches from behind the wheel to the center, running GM's latest infotainment system. You've got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands that actually work, and even an augmented reality navigation mode. Materials are next level: soft leather, brushed metal, Alcantara, and even a few wood trim options if you're feeling classy. The steering wheel is thick and flat-bottomed, with paddle shifters and illuminated controls. The seats are heavily bolstered, fully power adjustable, and ventilated. Rear seats. They're more for short trips or small people, but hey, it's a coupe. Trunk space isn't bad either, so it's actually kind of practical for a car this stylish. But now let's get to the good stuff, the performance. Oldsmobile didn't just bring back the Toronado name for show. Under the hood, you've got a 6.2L supercharged V8 borrowed from the Corvette Z06, tuned specifically for the Toronado. This beast puts out 670 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. Power goes to all four wheels thanks to an advanced AWD system, making this one of the first high-performance AWD coupes in GM's lineup in years. Mash the throttle, and you're doing 0 to 60 in about 3.3 seconds. It's quick. Like neck snapping, jaw-dropping quick. And the sound, absolutely wicked. It's got that deep, aggressive rumble at idle and a thunderous roar at full throttle. But what really makes this car special is how composed it feels. Magnetic ride control keeps things tight in corners but smooth on the highway. The steering is sharp and responsive, and there's minimal body roll even when you push it hard. It's the kind of car that feels like a muscle car and a grand tourer at the same time. If you're more eco-conscious, there's even a hybrid version in the works that pairs a twin-turbo V6 with electric motors to make around 550 horsepower, but the real star here is definitely the V8. That's the heart and soul of the Toronado, raw, unapologetic American power wrapped in a luxury suit. Tech-wise, this thing is loaded. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision mitigation, 360-degree cameras, and even GM's Super Cruise system for hands-free highway driving. There's also a built-in dash cam, night vision, and a premium Bose Performance Series sound system that sounds incredible. And let's not forget the ambient lighting, it changes colors based on your drive mode. Small detail, but it adds to the vibe. Driving the 2026 Toronado is an experience. It doesn't just feel like a fast car, it feels like a moment. Every time you press the start button, you get that rush of excitement. Whether you're carving up mountain roads, pulling up to a fancy event, or just cruising through the city, people will notice. You'll get thumbs up, people taking pictures, and lots of, "What car is that?" questions. Now, obviously, bringing a name like Toronado back is a bold move. It's not just about performance, it's about legacy. And Oldsmobile managed to strike that balance between honoring the past and embracing the future. It's not a retro throwback. It's a new chapter. Fuel economy. Yeah, it's not a Prius. You're looking at around 17 mpg combined if you're driving the V8 version, but let's be honest, no one's buying this car to save gas. The hybrid version will get closer to 30 mpg, but again, the focus here is on power and presence. Price-wise, the 2026 Oldsmobile Toronado starts around $78,000 for the base trim with the twin-turbo V6, but if you want the full-blown V8 AWD setup, you're looking at closer to $92,000. Fully loaded with all the options, it'll touch the $100,000 mark. That puts it in competition with cars like the BMW M8, Audi 7 Rupees, and even some AMG models. And honestly, the Toronado holds its own. It's got the performance, the looks, the luxury, and the legacy. So there you have it. The 2026 Oldsmobile Toronado is bold, fast, and stylish. It's got the muscle car heart, the grand tourer soul, and a modern brain packed with tech. It's not trying to be everything for everyone, it's for drivers who want to stand out, go fast, and have fun doing it. Oldsmobile is officially back, and they're not messing around. Let me know in the comments, would you take this over a Charger Hellcat or an Audi 5 Rupees? That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the latest from Crazy Cars. See you in the next one.